Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Keshante Chantel. I know why you're here. You are here because you are super obsessed with foundations and you're always on the hunt like myself to find the perfect foundation, whether it's at an affordable option or it's just the best thing on the market. So guys, we are going to be trying out some new foundation. This is the Soft Glam foundation from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So this is a medium buildable foundation. It has 1% hydrangea complex in it. It is very hydrating. It has a satin foundation. You can take this foundation to a full coverage. This is supposed to be the bee's knees. So we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. I am also trying the new Jelly Pop primer. It might not be new to you, but it's definitely new to me. So guys, I've been using the Power Grip primer for a couple months now, and I'm just a Power Grip girly. So we're gonna see what this Jelly Pop primer is giving. And then I also picked up a new lip gloss. This one is the Sun Boss Gloss. So we are going to be trying these products out. If that is something that you are interested in, stick around for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. And guys, we're gonna jump straight into this e.l.f. review because why keep you guys waiting? Okay, so when I first ordered this foundation, you know, you take a chance ordering anything offline. So I picked up a couple of things. I got the restock of the Jelly Pop primer. So this is, it launched a little while ago and then it sold out, and then they wasn't sure if they were gonna bring it back, and they did. And so I picked that up. You guys know that I have been obsessed with the Power Grip primer. I have backups of this. And then I also picked up the Sun Boss lip gloss. So this has SPF in it, which is awesome. You honestly don't realize how much your lips need SPF. Yeah, I got this in the shade Blush Much, so we're gonna be trying that one today too. And okay, so ordering this offline, I will have to say that like it wasn't the easiest to find my shade range. Yes, they have like little quizzes that you can do, but I just feel like I answered everything accurately, and this is the shade that I got. So I chose on the website the shade 30, which is medium warm. And so this is the shade that it is. So of course, as you can see, that is way too light for me. So I had to do some quick thinking, and thankfully they sell this foundation on Amazon Prime. So I did order it and I got it delivered today. So I ended up ordering shade 45. So if this shade is too dark, I can definitely mix the two, but I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with that. It's just slightly darker, but I like my foundation darker. So I think what I'm gonna do is more of the 45 and just a drop of the 30. So I will tell you this is my first time ever ordering a foundation offline. You take that risk, but honestly, I got two of these foundations for $16. It is still cheaper than the NARS that I typically buy. So I'm not complaining about the price because realistically, e.l.f.'s pricing is very affordable. And not everybody has the money to spend $50-something on foundation. So we're gonna start off with the Jelly Pop Dewy Primer. So this one is supposed to give your skin a little bit more of a hydrated look. I've heard people say that they like this primer much better than the Power Grip. It's said to be a little bit more tacky. I don't know. To me, they are, I don't know. This one's a little bit stickier. It has like a little bit more grip than the Power Grip. That's weird. But not surprising. First off, I love the way this smells. I love the way this smells. I can tell the consistency is different. And honestly, for the same exact price, you get more primer in this one. So I'm just gonna start off by doing like a little mixture of the two. Now that I got that mixed on the back of my hands, I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding that to my face. So this foundation is supposed to be long wearing with a satin finish. So you can build it up to a full coverage. But I feel like, honestly, mixing the two of those was perfect. So I'm loving the coverage of this so far. So if you want like medium to full coverage, this is going to do that. I love the fact that it doesn't have any harsh smells to it. And so far it's not oxidizing very crazy on me, because sometimes foundations have a tendency to pull orangey. This one has more of a, I mean, it's a warm foundation, but it's not pulling like that brick red. I don't know, I really like this. So this foundation is also supposed to be very hydrating, which is really, really good, because sometimes foundations can be, even though it looks satin, it can have like a very dry, even though it's satin, it can tend to have like a very matte or like cakey drying effect, and I'm definitely not getting this. So I'm gonna pair it with my favorite concealer in the world. I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. So the shade that I'm gonna use in the Camo Concealer is Medium Warm. So I feel like the placement of your concealer is very important if you want to highlight different areas in your face. So I typically just go under the eyes, the forehead, and then I will take that same exact brush that I use for the foundation and I just start diffusing that concealer. I have to say, for this to be a drugstore foundation, I am very impressed. I feel like this foundation performs like a high-end foundation. So that is very, very impressive, because for $8, if you find your correct shade, I feel like you would be very satisfied with this, because I love the way this looks. So for my contour, I'm just using a Lancome foundation stick. And I'm just going to do my makeup how I normally would do it. And I mean, guys, the foundation is working well with other products, which is very important, because I find that most people's makeup routines will consist of high and low end makeup. So I'm super impressed by the application process. I feel like the foundation went on very smooth. As you can see, I love the Jelly Pop primer. I mean, I personally don't really see a difference in terms of like application from this primer versus the other one. I do find that you get more in this one for $10. So if they decide to keep this one back on the market, I could possibly see myself switching to this primer, because I don't notice a difference. Somebody else may, but just for me, I don't notice the difference right now. I like the fact that the primer is hydrating. I love the fact that the foundation is hydrating. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be back with my final thoughts. All right, so we are back. I just did a very light beat in my eyebrows, added some blush bronzer. So we're gonna use the Sun Boss gloss. I wanna line my lips with the Morphe Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea. This is one of my favorite lip liners. That is such a beautiful gloss. Like, that is so pretty. That is such a pretty pink gloss. The shade again is Blush Much, and I believe this gloss was only $7. So guys, e.l.f. has some really, really affordable makeup, and it is gorgeous. Again, This foundation, will I buy it again? Absolutely. I don't feel like I have a cheap foundation on. I don't feel heavy. My skin doesn't feel icky. I don't feel like the products didn't work well with other products. Everything just blended so nicely together. I'm just gonna go in, set it with a little bit of the Power Grip setting spray, and that is it. This is so gorgeous. I highly recommend it. I feel like if you're looking for a more affordable option with foundation, something that's going to be good quality, something that's going to perform and be long lasting, you don't want to feel heavy, this has got to be the foundation for you, because it is like, it's wowing me right now. And I'm just like, e.l.f., like, oh my gosh, do we go together real bad? So those are basically my final thoughts for this video. Like, the foundation is just bomb.com. I'm impressed by how good my skin looks right now. So if you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. Don't forget to pick this foundation up. If I could tell you one thing, one takeaway from this video, 2 takeaways. 1 would be to get it. 2 would be to wait till it's in store. And the reason why I say that is because you can do like I did and customize your own foundation. But I feel like if you are like budget friendly in high school or anything like that, and you don't, or if you just don't have the money and you don't want to buy 2 foundations and wait till you can get your accurate shade match in store, because online, even though you take the quizzes and shade matching, you see what happened to me. I ended up having to buy 2 anyway. And the price wasn't bad, so I personally don't mind, but that might not be in somebody else's budget. So wait for it to come in stores. I feel like that would be most helpful. But that is it. That is all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for rocking with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Love you guys. And till we meet again. Bye.